Here we go. Let's understand the concept of Azure activities. Let's start from the Azure introduction first, then slowly step into configurations. We're actually waiting for a few other participants to join. In the meantime, yes friends, in the meantime, database contains tables. These tables are stored in, please everyone, please, as we are waiting for us to join, stored in files, isn't it? Yes everyone, please. MDF,
Yes, sir.
NDF. Yes everyone, please. You're aware of it, everyone, please. I'll wait.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These files contain or files store actual data in 8 KB chunks called, please everyone, please, called pages, right? Isn't it? Pages. And what is an extent? You remember, please everyone, what is extent?
The collection of pages.
Yeah, 8 pages, brother, right? 8 pages, 64 KB. By tomorrow, please revise database architecture, okay? Please do it for me. Others who are not responsive, please, let's invest our time correctly. Let's get started. Need your support. Please help me. Let's understand what is Azure. A virtual cloud environment to host data or apps. Easy, secured, faster access using web URLs and tools. Main benefits of cloud: faster, more secured, and automated maintenance. Easy, or simply say automated tuning activities, and automated disk or storage management. And there are 3 popular cloud providers: Azure Cloud, Google Cloud, Amazon Web Services. All other clouds, you take Snowflake, Salesforce, any cloud, need to use one of these 3 clouds. What is Azure? A Microsoft cloud platform to host, secure, manage, and access various apps and files. In Azure, we can also configure virtual networks for secured data access. Why Azure? I'll provide you all these notes anyway. Cheaper, highly secured, easy integration with data engineering, and data science technologies and suits any OS platform. Different environment types in cloud. We have three important environments. SaaS, software as a service, 100% cloud, no software to install. We call it logical computing, our first example today. Later classes comes PaaS, platform as a service, 80% cloud will manage, 20% non-cloud we need to manage. Install few integration components and development tools. Infrastructure as a service. %50 cloud, 50% non-cloud. Monitoring, management in non-cloud environment. So SaaS, software as a service, 100% cloud will manage. Here we are going to learn examples on something called Microsoft Entra, Azure Monitor, Azure Alerts, etc. PaaS, platform as a service, 80% cloud. Cloud maintains majority or almost all components. And OS-less. OS-less means no operating system components, no disk, and no direct control on processor and memory. EOS, 50% cloud will manage, remaining we need to manage. And we have more control on OS, processor, memory, and disk. Like Azure virtual machines, clusters, always on. These come under EOS category. Now, how to implement SQL Server in Azure? Let's see. So for this purpose, firstly, we need to have an account. Let's see. First, we need to have an Azure account. You already have SQL Server with you and SSMS. Those two should be fine. And our next step, we need to install additional tools called migration tools and data studio tools in next couple of examples by tomorrow or day after. Let's understand first how to configure cloud. Good to write your observation notes if possible. I'll provide you all these notes anyway. So this is our journey lines. Firstly, we are going to create Azure account today. Then create subscription. Azure account, subscription. We are going to have them first. Okay, next. Then we are going to configure one database. Firstly, server, then database. Tomorrow's class, we are going to slowly proceed for migration activities. Okay, here it is. We'll do. Just wait. Yes, so here we go. Just now email sent with the complete notes. Let's follow it carefully together. You'll practice after the class anyway. Email sent to everyone. Please check. Let's have the account and subscription first. Server and database next. Firewall
Sir,
and
one small
connection.
doubt. Sir, one small doubt,
Srinivas
sir.
Reddy, tell me.
Yeah, ఇప్పుడు migration means it is Azure DB migration or SQL DBA migration, sir? Yeah,
Non-cloud to cloud, on-premises.
yeah, okay, sir. Thank you. Yeah, that's the doubt, sir. Actually, thank you, sir.
Fine, sir. Fine. Yep. Fine, friends. Hope you received the mail, everyone. Please confirm. Please check it. We'll continue now. Slowly, step by step, we'll do.
Oh,
Received, sir.
Fine, sir.
Yes.
Others,
I did
please
not
check
receive
it, friends. I'll wait.
Sir, I did not receive.
yeah, I have received,
Might
sir.
be on the way, sir. Already sent.
Received.
Sure. Others, please check it. I'll wait. Might be on the way. You'll receive it anyway. Let's get started. Okay. Might be on the way. Already sent, actually. Already sent. I assume we're all very new. Today, 6 items. Slowly stepping into the basics. Tomorrow, migrations. In our journey tomorrow, we are going to do these activities. All these tomorrow's class. Things are a bit lengthy, but very useful, very meaningful. Step by step we'll do. By day after tomorrow, please revise your tuning concepts from on-premises. We need to use them with AI by day after tomorrow. Then 4th day, few more items. Then it continues. As per your agenda, as per your course curriculum, we'll do one by one. Hope you got the mail by now. Please confirm. Please check it. I'll wait, please.
Yes, sir. Received.
Fine,
Yes,
sister.
sir.
Others, yeah.
Received. Sir.
Others, please.
Yes, receive it.
Fine. There you see one Word document for server database configurations. Please check. You see one Word document for server database configurations. Please check.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we'll start our session now. Please come back to my screen. We'll start now. So first thing, server database configuration. You'll practice after the class today. Please take print copies of the daily notes if you can, please. Install SQL Server and SSMS tool. Okay, you already have them with you. If not, please get them installed. Then how to register for Azure account? Go to portal.azure.com. Start free. Go to, you'll practice after the class. Portal.azure.com. And create one like this. It will ask you for the email address. Okay, either you go for a new email or existing mail, anything is fine. You get a confirmation message. You click on the confirmation mail and you will be redirected to a portal. Let me show you how it looks. Please wait. Yes, log into the portal. Once you log into the portal, next step. This is the first look, okay? In Azure, every item we buy is called a resource. Every item in Azure is called a resource. Here it is. Click on create resource. The moment you click on create resource, it will ask you for creating a subscription. The moment you click on create resource, it will ask you for something called subscription. So once you click on subscription, you get a new screen like this, a sign up screen. It will ask you for the card details, credit card or debit card details. Enter your card details. So first name, last name, country, all these details. Then one Azure account will be created, valid for 1 month. Click on create resource, this see here. Click on create resource. And type there SQL Server logical server. What is that? SQL Server logical server. The other one is virtual machine VM. To start with, we are going for logical server. Click. Click on logical server. Click create, this one. Click on create logical server like this, okay? Click create. Give the server name. Any name is fine. New. You may reuse the auto created resource group if any. But if in case for free accounts, you don't see any default resource group initially, so create new resource group. Just like schemas in MS SQL. We use schemas to group objects, right? Same way, to group resources, we use a resource group. Say Azure Fundamentals SQL database. Give some resource group name. Anything is fine like this. Okay, next. With this information, next item. Okay, here we go. Location can be anything, it's fine. Click on SQL authentication. Okay, here it is. Click on SQL authentication. Login password like this, in this way. Okay, next. Click review plus create. I repeat again, okay? Please observe carefully. Though you have the video after the class, good to write our observation notes if possible. Click on home, okay? Go to portal.azure.com. Okay, next. Create resource. Okay, here we go. SQL Server, logical server in this way. Click on this logical server, okay? Here it is. Click create. Give the server name. SQL School, Azure SQL Server. Give some name, okay? Any name. If you don't see the default resource group, create a new one. Just now we created one existing. Anything is fine. New resource group or existing resource group for easy management. Location, you may leave it to the default. Go to SQL authentication. Give the admin login name. Password, confirm password like this. Okay, next. Review plus create. Click create like this. Okay, create in this way. Okay, next, create. Once it is created, the next step, okay, next step, inside the server, see here, inside the server, see inside Azure you got the server. Inside the server, we need to have this database, okay, like this. Okay, we need to have database here. How to do that? Let's see. My server is almost ready. It's almost ready. Let's see. We'll go for questions after a few moments. Let's wait. Yes, my server is ready. So what we do, let's see. Firstly, go to resource. Click on the resource. Create database. There are three things we need to do today, okay? Two things, database, networking settings. Okay, first create database. Click on create database. Here it is. Click on create database. Give some database name, okay? Any name is fine. Here we go. Okay, so what we do here, just give some database name. It should be production. Okay, production. Configure database. Okay, next. Go to basic plan like this. Okay, go to basic plan in this way. Okay, next. Here we'll talk about this licensing plans next item, but mostly by tomorrow during migration process. Here you see something called DTU, data transaction unit. Click apply. DTU is a compute unit to measure the processor memory. To measure processor and memory. We have this concept of DTU. Okay, next. Click on review plus create.
What is SQL Elastic Pool?
Click on review plus create. That's right. Sorry, madam. Please tell me. Yeah.
What is the SQL Elastic Pool in the previous window? Do we need to see? Okay.
We'll take, but madam. Others are very new actually. We'll learn it one by one, madam.
Okay, sir.
Oma, we'll do. Okay. Give me time, please. Fine, friends. Hope you are writing your notes. Azure account, server, database, and then one more. See, right now database got created, right? See here where we are right now. Inside the server, go to all resources. Go to all resources. Go to the server. Go to the server. See here. Okay, next. We did this. We did database, right? This one, database. Now networking. See here, networking. This one. Okay, next. Selected network. By default, server is disabled for access. We need to enable it. Okay, here it is. Selected network. Next. Selected network. And down, add firewall rule. This one. What is it? Add firewall rule like this. Okay, click on this add firewall rule. Give some rule name. We need to specify who should be accessing this server. Who should be accessing the server? We have to specify it. Okay, click on OK in this way. Next. Once we are done, save. Just click on save. Hope you are writing your notes. Then see here for our next item. By tomorrow we need to go for migrations. For that, we need to allow Azure services like this. We need to allow Azure services in this way. Okay, next. Click save. Click on save like this. Next, what we are doing here, server, database, and networking like this. Once we are done, go back to overview. Click on this one, copy the server name like this. Okay, here we go. Copy the server name. This is the admin name, and we can also reset the password if required. Okay, next. Go to SSMS. Go to SSMS. Database engine. Go to SSMS database engine. Next. Remember, few minutes back we got SQL authentication. Okay, this one. Okay, SQL authentication. Provide the login name and password. Okay, provide the login name, password. Remember the password. Remember the password. Trust server certificate. So this should be the server name. Okay, login name, password. Trust server certificate. And then click connect. You are done. So this way you please configure server, database, and get the connection. I repeat again, from the Azure portal you need to have the server, login, password, and trust. Click on connect. So this way get the server, database. Tomorrow's class we are going to start the migration process. One more thing, I have sent you one source database script today. Run that script in the source, your local SQL server. You got one .SQL file today. Run that .SQL script in your source database. Okay, get your database ready. That source database from your local SQL server we are going to use in Azure for migration activities from tomorrow. From here, any questions, let me know, please. I'll wait. Please go through your complete notes. I'll wait. Any questions, please?
Sir, when I went to create the SQL of the Azure ID, it asks me say if a card, physical available debit card, and it does not accept this my Visa card.
Hussein Ruby cannot understand your question, sir? Tell me again, please.
Okay. When I wanted to say, to create a Azure free account, it asked me a card. And then I get it is my Visa card. Then it does not accept my Visa card.
Okay, please WhatsApp me the screenshot of the error when you use your Visa card. Okay, just WhatsApp me the screenshot of the error. I'll check and let you know. I'll do.
Okay.
Please.
Okay.
Next question, please. I'll wait. We'll stop for today.